Daily Math Show. I am your host, Jessica Britt, and today we will be learning about differential equations. Differential equations are equations that have been differentiated and are set equal to one or more variables. To tell you more about differential equations, I will be sending it over to my co-hosts, Lucky Kentucky and Hippie Mississippi. Lucky and Hippie? I'm Lucky Kentucky.
And I'm Hippie Mississippi. And we are the lesser-known cousins of Hannah Montana.
Yay! Today, we're going to be learning about something very interesting. Hey, why don't you teach us about the Lagrange error bound instead?
No. We talked about this. It's differential equations.
Yay!
Woo!
Well, differential equations sounds like death. How are you going to keep us from dying of boredom? We could teach this video a boring way, like with notes on the overhead, or perhaps with Khan Academy, but instead, we have a rap.
Give me a beat. dy dx is what you have to separate in order to integrate. First you multiply dx to both sides, then you start to divide and multiply. You get all the x's to the dx side, make sure all the y's are there with dy. Make both sides into an integral. Remember, plus c is integral. To solve the equation, solve for y. Plug in the initial condition, and then you've just solved a differential equation.
Word. Let's hear that one more time. Dy dx is what you have to separate in order to integrate. First you multiply dx to both sides. Then you start to multiply and divide. You get all the x's to the dx side, make sure all the y's are there with dy. Make both sides into an integral and solve. Remember, plus c is integral. Solve for y, plug in the initial condition. And now we're solving the initial condition. And then you just solved the differential equation. Word. Well, we got caught in a blizzard.
What?
Oh no.
So we're gonna send it back to our co-anchor, Jessica.
Bye now. Watch again. Jessica? Thank you, Hippie and Lucky. Come back next week for more interesting math videos. See you later. We went on the scene in F2 to see how Mr. Williams feels about differential equations. Hey, Mr. Williams, how do you feel about differential equations?
When the rabbit hops through the forest on a windy day, and the eagle soars overhead, then and only then will the octopus know that it's not on dry land, and the flamingo flies away.
Thank you, Mr. Williams. That was beautiful.